In this video, we are going to be going through how to create bundles and manage bundles and track the inventory for bundles. So if we come into a merchant, we'll open up their inventory. We're going to create some items. So we'll create the bundle. And then inside of bundles, we have components. So for this item, we'll create two components. So we'll create component 1 and component 2. So then in order to mark an item as a bundle, we'll open up the item details and we'll come into bundles and we'll convert it to a bundle. So now this item is a bundle, and you can see here with the bundle tag that that is a bundle. Then we'll come in and we will find the components to add to this item, and we'll say two of component 2 and 1 of component 1, and we will add those items. And now you can see that inside this bundle we have 1 component 1 and 2 component 2s. So now let's look at what happens with the inventory for those items. So first of all, if you come into this bundle inventory, it will actually be tracking the component quantities now instead of the bundle item quantity. So if I come into a component, it shows me the normal set of inventory. But if I come into the bundle, it only shows me the inventory based on the component inventories. So the way that this works is, let's receive components. So what we'll do here is we will add these 2 components to the shipment. And we will say that we get 100 of component 1 and 200 of component 2. And this should result in an available quantity for the bundle of 100, because it will utilize 200 of these and 100 of these for all 100 bundles. So I'll go in here and I will first ship this shipment. And then I will receive the shipment. And I will just mark it as received before I create an outbound shipment. So now if I come into the inventory here, you can see here that the bundle has an available quantity of 100 because of the quantities of the components. And then each component has its inventory tracked separately. So if you wanted to ship these components separately, you could do that as well. So let's look at how it looks now to create an outbound shipment where we are shipping bundles. So if I come in here and I ship 50 of these bundles, what this is going to do is it's going to reduce the component 1 by 50 and then component 2 by 100, because we'll be using 2 of component 2 in each bundle. So we'll go ahead and mark this as closed to send that inventory out. And then if I go into inventory and we look at the bundle, now you can see that the bundle quantity is 50 and this component 1 is 50 and it's used up 100 of component 2. So that is what it looks like to work with bundles and how the inventory tracking works for bundles.